Look at Litecoin go. If you saw my last video, I almost sold, almost, at 220, 250 something to pay back my credit card. But since I'm Wild Bill, I didn't. I didn't sell. I stopped it. Stopped it just short. And now we're trading at 339. Up 70% in the last 24 hours. What is going to happen to Litecoin? That's what everybody is asking me. Should I buy? Should I sell? And right now it's correcting. It is going down. Look at this red candle here. See, can you see this? Yeah, right here. It's going down. Going down, down, down at 333. Now I see a little green candle forming. The question is, will it rebound back to here? Or down, 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 and correct back to normal trading levels? We don't know. So if I sell all my Litecoin right now, woo! More than doubled my money. I'm gonna get $4,468. Take $2,000 and pay off my credit card. Maybe I don't sell it all. Maybe I sell 5 Litecoins. That's enough to pay off the credit card, and I keep 5 that I got for free just from the crazy bull run. But my spider sense, or my wild Bitcoin Bill sense, tells me don't sell. Last time I sold, I regretted it because I would have made a lot of money. So I think I'm going to hold. 30 days is the interest period on the credit card. My main goal is not to pay interest on that credit card, get the money for free. So I think I'm going to hold through the holidays, even though this might go up and down, because a lot of people are coming to Coinbase over the holidays. It's going to be the big talk at the dinner table. #1 downloaded app on the App Store right now. And a lot of people can't get into Bitcoin, including myself. I don't have 17 grand laying around that I can throw in and buy a Bitcoin. I'm holding a fraction of a Bitcoin, 0.14, which is worth about 2,000 bucks. But I'm just holding that right now because you don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin. This is the one I always like to go back to. Make your money on the other coins, the multipliers, and then sell and go back to Bitcoin. But Litecoin is the technology. It's faster than Bitcoin. It's more accessible. It's trading on the big exchanges like GDAX. So this is one to watch, guys. It's 341, but you have to be willing to take the roller coaster ride because this could go down to 20 bucks. But I see this as a long play. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get squeamish and I'll sell if we go back up to 400, 420. I could put in a sell order at 500 in case it peaks with these limit orders. In my other training videos, I'm going to show you guys how to do all this step by step, all the way from beginner to advanced or intermediate. I don't think I'm advanced. I think I'm intermediate right now. But as I learn more, I will teach you guys. Ethereum was way up also here. It hit the 637 mark, and now it looks like the correction is coming. This is the 15-minute zoom. If we zoom out, you can see sort of the patterns. Here we had another run, correction, and then higher, higher, higher. So if you wait out these corrections and don't sell, don't panic, then you're likely to do better in the long term. But if you need the money now and you just want to make a quick buck, sell and get out. It's all about your goals. You have to own your strategy. Don't let anyone tell you what to do, including myself, Wild Bill. This is not financial advice. It's probably bad financial advice, if anything. So definitely don't do what I say. Just enjoy the show. And well, you can do what I say, but remember, it's not financial advice. Very important. And you have to go with your own gut feeling, do your own research, talk to people, find out. Truth of the matter is, nobody knows what's going to happen with this market. There are patterns. There's the Fibonacci rule. You can trace back 60% losses and try to predict the next bump. A lot of people say don't buy when everything is in the green. But if you buy in the green at the beginning, you can still ride that wave up. Let's take a look at Coinbase real quick and see what's happening in the market. Coin market cap. Let's go to Coin market cap. Right now, we have Bitcoin gaining 3.88 points since yesterday. Ethereum up 24. Bitcoin Cash up 11. Now, I don't own any Bitcoin Cash. I think it's a little too rich for my blood. Probably going to be a victim here of waiting for the drop, and then it never comes. That happened on Dash. A lot of people waited for the drop, and it never came. It just kept going up. Now it's trading at 881. So you have to be smart about these things. On NEM, I think it's a great buy right now. I bought in a little bit higher than this, around 60 cents, and I lost. It went down to 30 cents. I didn't sell. I'm going to hold it for the long term. I see this as a long term play. Monero up 11%. Just green, 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 green all across the board. EOS. EOS is one I like. Their plan is to be a better Ethereum, a better smart contracts platform, and they have great technology. The EOS. Stellar Lumens up 6%. Populous. This is one I absolutely love. This is a great, great, great platform. Up 29%. I don't own any Populous yet. I just don't have much to play with, so the little Bitcoin I'm holding, sometimes you don't want to day trade. Sometimes you just want to hold and enjoy the day. Otherwise, you're glued to the computer 24/7, and it can make you crazy. It can make you go nuts. So don't do do what you want. Do what you want. Enjoy. You have to have fun with this too, and don't risk your life savings. Don't go crazy because you could lose it all easily. You got to do what you're comfortable with, or Wild Bill always says, do a little teeny more than you're comfortable with, so you watch it. If you do only what you're comfortable with and you don't care, you don't watch it, then you might not manage it that well. But always trust your own gut, trust your own instinct. Let's see what's going on here. We got some red. Oh, what's this? Ardor up 59.67%, and it's at 94 cents. It's under $1, guys. Let's see what this guy's doing. Up 57.3%. And all time, oh, look here. This would have been a great buy point right here, down here. This is exactly what I'm talking about with the Fibonacci regression. 60% loss. So here we were at the price. What were the price here? 28 cents. No, that can't be right. We're trading at 94 cents now. So here we were at 29 cents, and then it went way, way down to 12 cents. So here's a big correction right here, and this would have been a great, great buy point right around here at about 9 cents. And also, guys, it's very important you look at the price. You're looking at the price in US dollars or in Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people, including myself, start looking at the US dollars because that's what we spend every day. I can't pay mortgage yet with Bitcoin. I can't pay the car. I can't pay the water. So I need dollars to go out to dinner for life. And I can't use Bitcoin yet. So you're looking at the dollars. But also, guys, Bitcoin is a big daddy of cryptocurrencies. It's what everybody wants. It's driven by demand. Everyone wants to be part of the 21 million club because there's only 21 million Bitcoins ever going to be. Right now there's about 16 in circulation. So there's even less. So if you have one, you're one of 16 million you're one owner of 16 million Bitcoins, which is pretty cool. There can never be more than 21. So a lot of people trade against Bitcoin. They go into the altcoins like Ardor, and they try to look at the appreciation against Bitcoin. 48.85 against Bitcoin. And against NXT, NXT is very interesting. I'll tell you guys about NXT. But Ardor, I believe, and forgive me if I'm saying something wrong here. Someone can correct me on the comments or educate me. Ardor is a currency that lives on the NXT blockchain. NXT, I believe, is a third generation blockchain. I actually have an NXT wallet. I'll show you guys in another episode what I did. And I got some NXT fairly cheap. I think I only put $100 in NXT. And now NXT is trading a lot higher. Let's check out NXT. NXT. NXT is trading at 67 cents. So it's down against Bitcoin, but it's up from where I bought it. I bought it around 10 cents, which is great. Only $100, and now it's trading at 0.67. So it's always a good idea to research and then sprinkle around a couple $100 here and there. Make sure it's you can afford it. Don't do stuff that's ill-advised financially. So enjoy, guys. Let's keep an eye on these two guys, these two stellar performers. Right now, Ethereum is down, but still way up from before. Let's take a quick look at the 1 minute candles. Let's zoom in. And it looks like it's rebounding. Apparently there was a slowdown in the Ethereum network. Stay tuned for future episodes where I will talk about Ethereum competitors, cryptocurrencies and blockchains that are trying to do what Ethereum does, but only better. And there's still fairly good opportunities, see which one takes off. It's like back in the 90s when the internet was taking off. No one knew if Google, Yahoo, AOL, who was going to be the big daddy of the internet today. Retrospect is, hindsight's 2020. Google, of course, won. But if you had a little bit of stock in Google, you had a little bit in Yahoo, you had some in AOL, one of those was going to bam. And the other ones, well, not so great. But you cut your losses with the huge, huge multipliers that you have. So that's what Bitcoin Bill says. Always go for diversification, smart investment, and be careful of the scams, guys. There's a lot of scams out there. Don't let that deter you, though. And also, don't sit on the sidelines too long. If you've been thinking about getting into cryptocurrency, like my dad was, and you didn't, you missed out. But guess what? He caught some of this bull run. He got in when Ether was around 300 and Litecoin was around 150. So right now he's doing well. You just have to know what your end game is. Are you trying to make a quick buck? Are you gonna get in, get out, or are you in it for the long term? You want to do it to learn and have fun, which I think is the best thing. That's why I'm doing it. I want to learn, have fun, teach you guys. This is a brand new market. Nothing like this has really ever existed. You can't really compare it to the stock market. You can't really compare it to currency or to fiat or to gold or silver. Nobody really knows. It's something completely new. So enjoy the ride, guys. This is Wild Bitcoin Bill. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. And let's take this to the next level. Thank you.